All right, so we are going to install some new bar end mirrors finally. I've been waiting for these. I've been waiting for this for like 3 months on back order, these bolts. So, bar end mirrors, little couplings, bolts, and just a 50 Torx for the bolts. Nice instructions. So I'll give you a shot of before, my view, and the view from this side. All right, and it's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna unscrew these and unscrew that bolt there. Slide these babies on. Really looks pretty simple. All right, so first thing you have to do is loosen this top nut right here, and then you just start unscrewing the mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay, live and learn. So after you take the top piece off, after you take the top piece off, then you unscrew the mirror, then you got to take off this bottom piece. Okay, so you unscrew this little adapter, and then they give you, with the mirror, these little plugs. And you can just pop those right in. All right, let's go take off the other side. And these little guys take a little clockwise twist to get them in. Okay, this was much easier to break. Now we're gonna remove this bolt, and that was really easy to break. So I'm gonna take that off and take off this bar end weight. Sorry about the shadows. Okay, so next we had to put this piece into that hole there, but you had to kind of line it up. So you have to kind of play with it and line it up correctly. Okay, so I don't think I put that in there correctly because, see this little tiny hole right here? There's a little hole right there. And see that little thing right there? That's got to go in that hole, so I'm going to have to twist this again. Okay, next we're going to put the end cap on here and then go ahead and bolt it in. All right, once you get it all lined up, go ahead and screw it in. Use 2 hands to tighten it up. Sorry guys, I had to take a little break. It's February, like 80 degrees outside, so cheers. Oh, that's good. Okay, moving right along, I had a hard time getting this coupling into the mirror. It was just a really tight fit, so I just put a little WD-40 on it and got it in. All right, now we're going to attach it. Well, there they are. Here is the rider's view. Oh, back up a little bit here. They look really good, but there's one slight problem, and I don't think it's me. They're loose. I can wiggle it back and forth. It says to tighten the screw in here. Yeah, there's no screw in there on either side. I'll figure it out. So there it is from the front. Oh, I do like the way it looks. They're just BMW bar end mirrors. They look pretty sturdy. I just kind of have to figure out. See, look. See? I'm gonna have to figure that out. Okay, let me know what you think, guys. They look great. I just gotta figure that out. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.